Hey YouTube, quick video about iPad 10 2022 model A2696. So touchscreen stopped working on it out of the blue. I did check out another screen. First thing I tried another digitizer. That did not do anything. So I cut the shields in the area of the touchscreen controller and stuff. That's the bad part about these iPads. You have to cut the shields. And I was checking because I have ZXW software and it doesn't show any signals or anything like that. So the things I was trying to see is like what exactly is going on in this, in the where the voltage is coming from. And there are several, actually not two, there are several bigger components. There's like this is the coil. I checked that, I was getting 1.8 volts in on this coil, but I was not getting anything this is the resistor right here. So nothing in this on this resistor. And then I checked the continuity to ground, and it was actually shorted. So I had to cut this shield as well to get to these capacitors basically, and it turned out to be one of these capacitors, which is this one, is actually shorted to ground. So that was the problem with this iPad 10. So if you have this kind of issue, before going crazy, try to check these capacitors. Maybe you're gonna have same luck as I did, and it's gonna be a pretty easy fix. Let me put it back to my screen. So this is it, and this is the capacitors I'm talking about right here. This is the capacitor right here that is bad, shorted in my case. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to help me grow my channel. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.